Hey, it's me, SteveWB, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be talking about the Rode Wireless Go Explained. And the reason why I said it like Rode Wireless Go Explained is because that's going to be the title of my video. And you kind of like when you're building your channel or when you're putting up YouTube channels, you have to put your title in your video because, you know, so YouTube will know what your video is actually about. But anyway, that could be a subject down the road that we'll talk about. But with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get into doing a review, and we're going to do a microphone test of the Rode Wireless Go, and we're going to use several different microphones and see which setup is the best. But first, we're going to look at the Rode Wireless Go up close and see what it looks like. Okay, so here are your two different units for the Rode Wireless Go. The one on the left right here is this is the actual receiver that would mount on your camera. The one on the right here without the screen is the one that you would carry on your person. So let's go over the outside of these real quick. Okay, for the one that goes on top of the camera, you can see that it actually has a screen, and there's actually a little green bar indicator, and you can see it move as I speak that shows you your decibels as you're recording. In the lower corner right here, that is actually your decibel gain, decibel button, which I'll show you in a second. You can adjust how much you're amplifying your signal. And then the little indicator right here is just showing that you're connected to the actual transmitter. And then you have battery indicators, one for the transmitter and one for the receiver. Now if you look down at the top of the unit, you can see that this is the on-off button. If you turn to the side, you have the USB port for charging, and you have the jack on the side here that would go from this receiver to your camera. And then if you rotate it and look at the bottom, this is your button for adjusting your decibel gain, and this is a link button. For some reason, if you turned it on and you weren't linked to your transmitter, you could just hit this button on the receiver and the transmitter, and they should link up together. So now let's check out the transmitter side or the microphone side. And here it is right here. And as you can tell on the front, there is no screen. If you look down at the top, you can see the blue LED right here with the two chains just showing that it's linked to a receiver. And then you have your battery indicator light, which is right here as reflected by the battery emblem right there. Then you have your microphone itself. This is the built-in internal mic, and then on the side of the mic you see two slots. And what those two slots are for, those two slots are actually for the wind muff right here. It's got two little tabs, and you can just plug it on top, and it gives you that nice wind muff for windy days. And then if you're going to use a lav mic or some type of other external mic with this unit, you would plug it in right here, right next to the built-in mic. And then if you turn the unit to its side, there's the USB port for charging. The power button is on the bottom. And then on the back side of both units, you have like a little clip right here. And this clip is the exact size of a cold shoe mount. So if you need to mount this on a camera, you just hold the clip down, you can slide it into the cold shoe mount and let it go, and it won't go anywhere. So that's a look on the outside of these two units. Okay, so now that we've gone over the looks and the aesthetics and the location of everything on the Wireless Go to show you where all the buttons and inputs are, now we're gonna actually do a microphone sound test. And you can see right here, it's clipped on my shirt, and you can see the little wind muff on there. And this is one way that you can wear it and get decent audio from it. But me, I try to hide the mic when I use it. So whenever I'm using this, I actually flip it and I slide it inside my shirt, and I know it's not a big difference, but it hides it a little bit. And if I was to actually take this wind muff off, if it was not so much a windy day, you know, you can hide it even better. Let's go ahead and do the sound test for the internal mic on the Wireless Go. How does the audio sound on this? Check 1, 2, 3, 4. Rode Wireless Go built-in microphone. Now this is going to be the Rode Wireless Go with a lavalier mic that came free, the Knox lavalier mic. This came as a package deal with my Wireless Go. So how does it sound with the lavalier mic? Microphone check 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rode Wireless Go with a lav mic. How does this compare to the internal mic? And now we're going to test the Wireless Go in a different setup. You know, if you were in a studio type setting and you wanted to have a mic on the table for more than one person and not have the wire going all the way to your camera. So what I have hooked up right now is the Rode Video Micro. How does this sound going through the Rode Wireless Go? Microphone check 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rode Wireless Go with Rode Video Micro plugged in. So now I'm going to test the Kamika, and this is the Kamika, this is going to sound terrible, but this is the Kamika V30 Pro, and this is a powered microphone, and I'm setting it down really gently because I just don't want to get a real loud audio spike in the audio of this video. But anyway, this is a powered microphone. You could use it as described before with the video micro if you were doing it like a studio setting and you just needed a remote mic hooked up for, you know, multiple sounds or multiple people, whatever. How does the Kamika sound? Microphone check. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Rode Video Go with the Kamika powered microphone. Okay, so that's going to conclude our sound test with the Rode Wireless Go and our brief review of the aesthetics of what it looks like and what everything means on the outside of the actual Wireless Go itself. And which microphone did you think sounded the best? Do you think it was the internal microphone, the lavalier mic, the Rode Video Micro, or the Kamika? Just leave a comment down below which microphone you think sounded the best, or if you could even tell a difference between all the different mics. Okay, so with all that being said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. I'm SteveWB, and I'm out.